Hello my friends, hello everyone, welcome back to another episode, and today is another big day. We are going to do a couple of things. First, we're going to get started on painting. So I believe we're going to start with the ceiling, we're going to do white, and then we'll work our way down the walls. We've got the scaffolding up and ready for that project. But in addition, today, we've also picked up the first equipment for the garage. This is the CSPS double-decker rolling tool chest from Costco. Model not included. Kayla is gonna be over here on the scaffolding. So she's gonna be up here, she's gonna start painting the ceiling. We're gonna do white while I'm building the tool chest over here. Next to that, I got this new pressure washer. Mine crapped out. I had a Ryobi, little electric. It served me well, but the housing, the plastic on the handle cracked. I'm just gonna be doing so much. I'm gonna be doing so much detailing outside the garage here. I'm gonna be doing some projects around the house. I need a good pressure washer, so I'm very excited to have that. And finally, I picked up 2 of these racks from Costco. These are just metal anodized racks, 5 shelves. They're 4 feet wide, 2 feet deep. I'm gonna put 2 of them up with some rubber feet, and then I can stack up all my products in the garage. This is so amazing, everyone. I'm in awe with this piece of equipment. So everything's ball bearing, and it has the slow close bearings, those little shocks at the end, so you can't slam anything. Oh, it's just unbelievable. Every drawer, it comes with all the liners for every drawer, these little rubber mats that fit perfectly. This is absolutely just a remarkable piece of equipment. You could easily spend upwards of $2,000 to $3,000 for something like this. $5.99 at Costco. If you ever find something like this, it's a killer deal. Progress report, it's been a couple hours. We're making some good headway. Take a look at the ceiling. This is just the first coat. It's not full coverage yet. This stuff is bare I-100. It is excellent, and it will absolutely have full coverage by the second coat. But yeah, I think that white's gonna look really sharp and roll right down to the door. I'm very excited. In addition, I am ridiculously impressed with this tool chest. So over here, we've got a cool little setup already. Got our little ounce angle, and it's plugged into the power. We can charge all our devices. It plugs in, and it has a little cord reel and everything. I'm just so excited. This is becoming so real. Okay, wash, rinse, repeat many times. We did 3 coats of paint on the walls and the ceiling, covered everything up nicely, and this was bare interior I-100. Absolutely fantastic paint. It's very thick, it bridges gaps, it fills in little imperfections. It's such good stuff. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing yet. We're gonna jump right into the next step. We picked up all of our pine. So this here, these are 16-foot runs of 1x4 pine. So 1x4 is gonna be used for all the base and the top molding, and then we're gonna rip it in half and use 1x2 as battens to go vertically up and down the seams. This is the stain we're gonna be using. This is Varathane Classic. This is the stuff my parents have always used. It's been around for a million years, just like them. Kayla's like, oh. But this is red mahogany, and I feel like this is gonna look really, really good with the floor.
Yeah. Look at that. You could match that better to the floor if you tried.
Look at that. the ridiculousness that is Dad's measurements, his cuts and his precision. This piece, look at this, look. It doesn't even need nails. Okay, everything we're working with now is going to be those pieces ripped in half. So 1 by 2 that was stained up, and those are going to be used for the batten seams and to frame around the door. Okay, and the last of the trim that's going up is this lattice. This is 1 3/4 inch. It's a 1/4 inch thick. This is what's going up on the ceiling for the ceiling joints. That is going to just get painted white, so it'll just look like a coffered ceiling when it's done. We did use the table saw here, and this is notched out. That is for the garage door sensor wire. So this is probably the most incredibly dangerous part of this entire project. We're gonna use a table saw. You adjust that blade up 1/8 inch, and we're gonna rip a channel for one of the power cables to the garage door opener. Once this lattice is up, I'm just gonna hit it with some of the matching white paint for the rest of the ceiling, put my lights back up, and it is done. The interior will be complete. Thanks for hanging out with me while we finish this structure. I hope to see you back here on the next episode where we start outfitting.